Hi everyone, I hope you are doing great. Let's try to create this presentation and see how it looks like. If you like it, I will be happy to help you. Okay, let's start. At first, we need to create a new slide. Sorry, I do some crashes. At first, we need to create a new slide. In the blank slide, in our blank slide, we format the background, and the background, we choose the color we want. For example, we are going to go with this. And after that, we need to create these shapes. They are what? They are rectangles. Let me just create them. Okay, first one, and then another one, then align center, then select all of them, align center, align middle. Now bring all of them here. Okay, it's here, it's good. Now reduce its size. The first one, not all of them, reduce one size to the smallest and another to a little. Okay, now select all three of them, go to shape format, shape outline none, and from here give them some inner shadows, then color them up. Which color we are going to use? We are going to use the color that this color, a little more, and for the last one this. Okay, everything is ready. Now you need to copy your text. I created this text using Overdrive Sunset, and I downloaded this logo from the internet. It's Copilot logo. Then let me just align them. Okay, it's good. Now we copy that, and here we open the last one, and then copy the text, paste it here. Then select these two things and bring them to front. Then copy this slide, increase it in size. You see, we didn't bring them front. Because of that, this problem happened. We need to select these two and bring to front. Then copy this slide. Now you see the problem isn't happened again. But we make another mistake. We must select all these four and bring them to front. Now copy this slide, and when you increase it, you see we have the problem also. Let me just bring these two to front. Okay, I don't know why it's happened, but we must fix them. Then we copy the next text, paste it here, we color it black, copy another time, but before copy we select these three and go to shape format and bring them to front. Now copy this slide, increase it in size. You see, but the same problem happened here. We need to bring them to front, and now copy the last text and paste it here. Okay, let me just bring this to front again. Now select all the slides and set the transition to morph. Your presentation is ready. I hope you enjoy it. If you like it, you can find many of them in my channel, and please like and subscribe. We are near 1,000, and I love your help. Have a nice time.